The Network Management Center, NMC, assumes special functions in the context of OMS which are not defined in the GSM standard, but are based on definitions of the International Standardization Organization, ISO, and on recommendations of the International Telecommunication Union, ITU. An NMC carries out functions of performance management. Alarms and fault elimination times are evaluated statistically. Capacity bottlenecks in the network are detected, and the service quality is monitored, for example, the dropped call rate in %. Depending on the network operator, the NMC functions are carried out in a centralized or decentralized way in the geographical areas. All NMC and OMC of a certain defined geographical area form the third subsystem, the Operation and Maintenance Subsystem, or OMS. The three subsystems BSS, NSS and OMS are vital for the operation of a GSM network. The interfaces within and between the subsystems are mostly specified by the ETSI.